The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.